keep away from the kid. Literally, it says keep away from the kid. What up, everybody? My name is Kate, and if you are new here, welcome. Feel free to subscribe, like, comment, do what you will. I don't know about you, but I've been spending way too much time on TikTok. Yeah, I feel like I have no life. But, it's caused me to buy some really cool items. So I'm going to show you all the items I bought because of TikTok. TikTok might be being banned, but I have these items as a souvenir to the hours and hours and hours I spent my life on watching TikTok. So thank you. The first thing I bought was this scrunchie. Yes. So the reason I bought the scrunchie is not just a normal scrunchie. It's not. It has a zipper. Special. So basically, you can put things in the scrunchie. Things you can fit in the scrunchie. You can fit lipstick. You can fit money. You cannot fit a credit card, but you can fit coins. You can fit other hair ties. So this bad boy really allows you to put less in your purse. So if you're just going out for a walk and you just don't want to be holding money, you don't have any pockets, because ladies, we know, sometimes we don't have pockets. This scrunchie will have your back. So I got this just because I thought it was kind of cool, and it's a cute color. It's like a light pink. I also got it in white. So the TikTok just made me get this, and I don't regret it yet. I feel like these were honestly less expensive than some of the normal hair scrunchies, which are crazy expensive at other stores. So we'll see how these work out. I'm excited to test them out. The next thing I got, because TikTok told me to, is this. This supposedly, you take it to open up bags, and then you take the other side to reclose the bag. So we're going to test this out because I eat chips a lot. I'm a chip eater. I love them. They're good, And I always let them go stale because I don't seal them back up. But this bad boy supposedly will do that for me. And this was really cheap. I got this little bag of paleo puffs. These are some great puffs. Healthy, delicious, filling. Highly recommend. Delicious. But that's not what we're here for. So what I'm going to do is take this thing. So this end, oh my gosh, I'm like nervous. Okay, this end's supposed to open it. So if you really struggle with opening your chips, you're really struggling, you're going to put this thing here, and then we just click it, and then we pull it through. Wow, this is stupid. Okay, we pull it through. Okay, there we go. Oh, beautiful. Oh, yes. That slice was very satisfying. I felt like a ninja for a second there, but I actually cut it way too high up because it's still not open. So that was, although satisfying, not a waste of time. Okay, we're going to try again. So we put it get it lower, and then push it through and hold it. Oh, choppy chop. Oh! That is satisfying. I don't know why, but it feels pretty cool to do that. Okay, now that the bag is open, because clearly I couldn't do that on my own, the more important part is what we're about to do. So you're going to hold it between for 3 to 5 seconds. Oh, I just heard like a sizzle. Now I'm going to put it here. Ooh. Oh! Oh my gosh, I hear it. I hear it. That is cool / terrifying. Did it work? That worked. Wow. That is sick. So you just slide it in. You just hold it, and you just slide it down. I think you could do this with just a hair iron, like a flattening iron, but this is so quick and easy. What scares me is I realize that, like, it's basically melting it together, so this device is pretty strong. That's amazing. That honestly is amazing. So this device is pretty strong. That's why I think they have this part to kind of protect you, so it doesn't close on itself, because if it's like this, you can't close it. So the little keychain is there to protect it. But this is so cool. The next thing I got from TikTok wasn't really that I got it. I already owned it, but I brought it back out because of TikTok. And it is this bandana. I have seen so many cute TikTokers rock a little kind of bandana, not just for like a face mask, not just for like your mask, but they wear it as a hair kind of scarf thing. And I've done this in the past, but like I haven't done it in a while, and it just looks so cute. Like, I'm a fan of it, so I brought this back out because TikTok just made me. I got this scarf, I think, from Urban Outfitters a while back, but I was like, all right, I'm bringing it back out. I just think it's really cute, and it looks really good on hair. It's good for a windy day to keep back your hair. So thank you, TikTok, for showing me this trend and reminding me that it's a really cute thing to wear. The next thing I got is this. It is a color reveal Barbie. I know, I'm old. I don't need to be playing with Barbies anymore. I get it. But I was kind of like, this seems really cool. I need to test it out. I want to test it out, and I'm going to test it out. So we're going to see how this works. Basically, I think it's like a Barbie that you put in water to see it reveal itself. Sounds cool. We're going to test it out. Oh, when you open it, the whole thing gets taken. Wow. Okay. Oh, this is creepy. Fun. Okay, so you get this, like, this feels like a science thing where you get, like, if you ever seen Westworld, the, like, bodies. It's kind of creepy. I don't know how to explain this. Okay. So this is what it is. It comes in a little tube. Woo woo. I'm going to fill this up with water. I'm going to make it somewhat warm. I'm going to put this purple person in the water. And then I open up these little bags. Aw, she cute. So this girl came with a little drink. She came with a little skirt, little shoes, and a hair. I think that this is a pretty good product. I mean, if I were a parent, I would definitely buy this. Another thing I got because of TikTok are these jeans. Now, this wasn't like a specific TikTok trend. This was a specific TikToker. I don't know who she was. Honestly, don't even know who she was. But she was wearing these jeans. And people in the comments were like, those jeans, where are they from? Who are they from? And I was like, please tell me. And they are from a very fancy brand, but these were on sale. So I was like, all right, I'm going to try them. I'm not sure about them. I have all the tags on because I still might return it. I'm not 100% sure. But it looked so good on her. It was like tight and it fit perfectly. And she was rocking them. So I was kind of like, I want to be rocking some cute jeans too. So I don't know about them yet. You'll see full body that they are pretty good at the waist. They're not as high-waisted as I would have liked, but they are high-waisted, and they fit really nicely at the thigh area and the leg. I asked my mom if she thought the stripe was too much, and she said it was. So I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to keep it, but I definitely got it because of TikTok. Would have never known this brand if I wasn't watching TikTok. The last thing I got because of TikTok was this. This supposedly helps take away those little pebbles that you find on sweaters and, you know, you find in your blankets. You're supposed to be able to just put this on a blanket and then it pick up the little pebbles. I don't know if it'll work. I think I need to charge it, but we're going to test it out. As you can see, the sweater is kind of ratty. There's a lot of pebbles, some dust. So we're going to test this bad boy out and see if it actually works. First things first, I'm going to turn it on, which is honestly scary. Okay. I feel like there is a difference, but I'm not 100% sure. Let's see if it collected things. And it did. It collected some dust. We see up here. We see, oh wow, it actually collected a lot. There's a lot in there. Okay, so I feel like this does work. It basically just is shaving off the initial layer of your sweater, which is probably okay, but I think long term, might not be the best. This is the other side that is supposed to brush off any lint. So this is working well. Wow. So this is taking off lint. I have like a piece of string here, but this is like really just taking off any dirt. You can see it right here. Now then when you have dirt in here, you're supposed to take this device and get the lint out of there, I think. So you're basically like scraping the lint out, like so. So it's not, oh yeah, there we go. We scrape off that lint. That's pretty cool. I actually really like this side because I feel like I always have lint on me. So this is super cool. Well, I'm a fan of this. I would recommend this. That is it for my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, feel free to like, subscribe, do what you will. If you have other TikTok items that you have found and you're like, wow, these are awesome, let me know in the comments. I'm trying to save money, but if they're cheap enough, I might just go for it. Let me know. All right, everyone, have a great day. Bye.